to the Manchester Malaysian Night 2007!
My name is Carol.
And my name is Belinda Tan.
And we're going to be your host for tonight.
That's right.
I say, Belinda, you look terrific in this kebaya songket.
Well, thank you very much, Sharon.
You look like a princess. You like sangat ayu lah.
Stop it, Sharon. You look smart.
Oh, thank you.
But you know what? Our audience here tonight look even more magnificent.
Yes, you're right. And I understand that even though this is Malaysian night, our audience are well international. Is that right?
That's right. All right. So, Sharon, why don't we do a little warm-up exercise with our international friends here?
Yeah.
All right. This is very simple. All you need to do is to just open up your mouth and shout as loud as you can when I call out to you. All right. Now, can I hear from those of you who come from Singapore?
And those of you who come from Brunei.
Anyone from Indonesia?
And not to forget our friends who come here not too far away from Scotland. Glasgow. Great to have you here, my friend.
And I know, like, you are from Abu Dhabi? Right.
Ahlan wa sahlan.
And you are from Pakistan? Right, welcome. And we also have some British friends with us here tonight. Okay.
And also, Belinda, we have special guests among our audience tonight.
Oh no, wait, have you forgotten? We still have friends from many other places. Wait, I have to call out to my friends from Hong Kong. Welcome, welcome. Okay, and last but not least, the Manchester Malaysian students.
As usual, Belinda, loud and vibrant.
Yes, that's the Malaysian ballet spirit.
Yes.
Okay, now.
And a special guest of ours from Jima.
Okay, on behalf of the MSSM 2007, we would like to extend our warmest welcome to our guest of honor. And they are Miss Fiona Brown from the International Student Office.
And also our mother figure in Manchester, our very own Puan Azimah, the MSD Education Attaché in Manchester, Puan Azimah. Or as I call her, Puan Sri.
And Dato' Yosumi.
And also Mr. Andy Scotland.
Yes. Thank you very much for taking the effort to be here with us tonight. Right, without further ado, shall we also introduce to you the president for the MSSM 2007, Vince Chong, to come on stage to give a short speech. Ladies and gentlemen,
Mr. Vince Chong.
Ladies and gentlemen, as I said in the dinner before this, the concept of Malaysian night is one which is meant for both Malaysians and for non-Malaysians. We wanted to experience the beautiful and vibrant Malaysian soul, her culture and the diversity, her dancers and the languages, her laughter and her beauty. What you see today is the product